Hey guys, what's up? I just recently got this little shelf on Amazon and I love it so much. I think I'm going to have a few in a few different places in my house. What I like is that it's handy from a practical perspective, like if I want to use it inside a closet, like my hall closet, for little things like vitamins and medicines and stuff. But it's also like really pretty enough to be out on display, like on this countertop. And so I thought I'd bring a few things. I just brought a few different items so you can kind of see what fits. Like this is a pepper from the cabinet. Like these are some little honey jars that I have. And like there's plenty of space here, so you could use this as like a spice rack. I've also got just like this little set of matches here so that you can see, like if you were to use it more as a display piece in a living room. I think sometimes small items can so easily get unorganized and make things look cluttery, but when you have a shelf like this, you can keep them really organized. And then these are just some like a face cream and another like makeup product that I have. And so, but like even here, like there's plenty of space. Like you can see, I can stack them front to back, just depending on how you want to organize it. But this is some nice wood, and then you have these metal shelves. Everything is really high quality. It feels really well made. It was really simple to put together. It just comes with those 4 pieces and then 8 screws. It does come with an extra screw. It also comes with a full screwdriver that even has like a little magnetic tip at the end. And then there are little foam pieces to put on the bottom as well. And then you have these like little handles on the top. So anyway, I'm pretty crazy about it, and I'm going to order a few more so that I can use them in a few different places in my house because it just looks really cute and it's super functional. Anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.